if you want to report how your corridor was defined, there's a corridor definition report. On the corridors tab, over to the right under reports, there's this corridor definition report. When you select that, you'll pick your corridor you want to report on, and when you do that, you'll see that it generates this definition report. So again, the header gives you a bunch of information about your project, and then it's broken out into pages. Your horizontal geometry, so you've got all your lines and arcs, your point of beginning, your northing and easting and stationing, as well as your vertical geometry, so it's showing your vertical curve information, as well as your super elevation parameters, and even your template information as well. So again, what information is being applied at the beginning station and working your way through, and what the template codes are, and what the materials are. So you can see as I scroll through, I can review the information. Here's another template instruction that was inserted in, which matches my rewall, has the name and the stationing and the elevation that started this template definition, and then each one is defined as well. So as I scroll down, you can see at the bottom is where I end up stopping that corridor.